Are you looking to delete your YouTube channel on your mobile device? Whether you've outgrown your channel, want to start fresh, or simply need to remove it for any reason, this step-by-step tutorial is here to guide you through the process. The steps are the same on both iOS and Android, so just follow my steps and watch this video until the very end. The first step that we'll do is to open any web browser on our device. I'm using an iOS device, so I'll open Safari, but you can open Google Chrome or some other browser if you are an Android user. We won't be using the YouTube mobile app because we can't delete our channel in the app, we have to do it through the browser. When you're in your browser, simply type studio.youtube.com in the search bar. If the browser prompts you to open the YouTube Studio app on your device, you'll want to continue to the web browser of the studio. Once we open the YouTube Studio website, it's gonna look just like it does on the computer, and that's what we need. The next step in the deletion process is to find the little gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you open the Studio settings, you'll get a little window over the screen, and you'll want to select the channel section. After that, select the Advanced Settings option right here. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page until you can see a button called Remove YouTube Account. When you tap on that button, they'll need to verify that it's us, so enter your Google account password in here and we can continue with deleting our YouTube channel. We can see two different options on this page. We can hide our YouTube channel by selecting the first option, or we can permanently delete our channel by selecting the second option. I want to permanently delete my channel, so I'll select the second option. We'll get a little disclaimer that tells us that all of the following will be deleted. So all of the videos that you have on your channel will be permanently deleted, as well as the comments you've made on other videos from that specific channel. Your replies and subscriptions to other channels will also be deleted. So if you're sure you want to delete your channel permanently, simply check the two boxes and then tap on Delete My Content. After that, your YouTube channel and all of the content on that channel will be removed from YouTube forever. And that's about it. That is how you can permanently delete a YouTube channel on mobile. If this video was helpful or you have any other questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.